quality wins.
Quality made in Germany.
Double 100% inspection.
Developed and designed in perfection.
First-class service and support worldwide.
Haimer. Quality wins.
At Haimer, quality is more than a promise. It starts with something fundamental. One philosophy. One attitude. One mission with responsibility. One culture. Striving for the perfect solution to enable our clients to build on their success so that they use our quality to maximize their productivity. Here at the Haimer headquarters in Igenhausen, near Munich, quality has been leading our way for over 40 years. For our customers, we overcome challenges with innovations. Today, Haimer is a successful system provider for tool management around the machine tool. Starting with the groundbreaking Haimer tool holder and the world-famous 3D sensor, Haimer is the world market leader in the field of inductive shrinking technology, as well as the world's leading technology partner for high-precision balancing systems for tools, tool holders and grinding wheels. At the second German production site in Bielefeld, the high-quality microset presetters have been developed, designed and produced for more than 40 years. With its own portfolio of high-performance milling tools, Haimer completes the system concept and offers a complete turnkey package with elaborate tool management solutions. Wherever the highest productivity in metal cutting is the target, Haimer proves itself across all industrial sectors with reliable products and experienced specialists.
For over 40 years, it's a family company. We stand for quality, reliability and sustainability.
And this we will also guarantee to you in the future.
Haimer. Quality wins.